Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue lotion slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is also remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue lotion slime. So the ingredients you guys when you make this slime recipe today is lotion, and I'm using this one by Nivea. You guys will also need conditioner, and I'm using this one by Maui. You guys will also need a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get out my conditioner, and this is the Maui one. I got this from Walmart, and it smells so good, just like watermelon. And I'm going to get it out and put it into my bowl. That looks like just enough for the slime. And I'm going to get out my Nivea lotion, and I'm going to get adding it into there. And I'm going to add equal parts of each so it becomes a really thick consistency. And I'm going to get mixing them together. That looks like just enough mixing, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about an hour, and every 20 minutes I'm going to take a look at it and see how it's doing, and then I'll show you guys it when it's all done. Okay guys, so it's been about an hour, and here is the slime, and you can see it watered down a little bit, which is really weird, but I'm going to take out my mixing tool and I'm going to see how it looks. And, ooh, this recipe actually worked very, very well, as you can tell. I'm going to zoom out the camera just a little bit. But yeah, you can tell that this recipe worked awesome. It's super, super thick and feels a lot like this slime I had before called cereal milk. I got it from Parakeet Slimes. I don't know why. It reminds me a lot of that slime. It's still a bit sticky, of course, because it is a no glue slime recipe, but it turned out really cool. Yeah, but this recipe turned out great, and it worked really well for me, so hopefully it will work well for you guys too. But yeah, this recipe turned out absolutely amazing, and I love the consistency. It reminds me just like a cereal milk slime, and it smells amazing with these two combined together. So if you want to make a really good smelling slime, use these two products right here and your slime will be smelling amazing. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I also want to say, if you don't know yet, I have a TikTok, so if you want to go check out my TikTok, it's AllieClaire28. All my social medias are linked in the description box down below to go follow me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. I love you guys so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!